Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Gopalan, psychologist, Child Life Services at Astra CMI. Today we are going to talk about professional life versus personal lives. We are not pitting it against each other, but we are trying to see it's like a seesaw. How do we see to it that we balance it or maintain an equilibrium between both? Many of them think balancing is where you give 50% to each dimension, but sometimes that's not possible. So let us not concentrate on the quantity, let us concentrate on the quality. Especially working parents, where you carry a lot of guilt because you're not able to give that time to your children. So what to do if you're not able to give 1 hour? Even if you give the 20 minutes, can we give it a quality time instead of just focusing on the number of minutes or hours we sit with the child? So this equilibrium of personal professional is so interconnected that we sometimes carry work to home and sometimes we carry home to work. And this creates a lot of confusion within us. And what happens is there's a complete jumbled up effect that's happening up here. So let us now try to build a different kind of connection between both the phases so that we can work effectively. So professional life, when you're entering home, let's keep it outside. But sometimes due to certain occupations, you can't do that. So to what extent can we carry it? How do we manage our family life so that that understanding is there with them? When you come home or when you go to office, what to do if there is something that's happening at home? How do we deal with it? So these are some coping skills that we have to work on so that an equilibrium is maintained. I am not using the word balance, I'm using the word equilibrium. So I would suggest everyone to give more importance to quality and see to it that you are able to give a fruitful life to both the dimensions in your life. So all the best, happy balancing, and always note that if you're not able to balance or not able to manage, please reach out for support groups. Please reach out to people to ask for help and to talk. Sometimes talking helps a lot. So all the best and happy working.